Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at no trumps. All about no trumps. Opening no trumps, playing in no trumps. Well, there are many advantages of opening one no trump. Number one, you've taken all the one level away from the opponents. Number two, you are telling partner a very precise range and shape. That's usually your shape is 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, or 5, 3, 3, 2. The less the opponents know about what's in your two hands, the better. So 1 no trump, 3 no trumps is a great contract where they don't know much about what to lead either. So the big question is, do you open 1 no trump with a 5-card major in amongst your 5, 3, 3, 2 shape? The answer is yes, modern bridge definitely does this. And with bridge, something doesn't work 100% of the time. There'll be some downsides, but on the whole, I think it's an upside to open 1 no trump with a 5, 3, 3, 2, and your 5 is a major. So when partner responds to 1 no trump, they're pretty good at that. They can transfer, or they can stayman, or they can just stay in no trumps. So try the hand I've given you and let me know how you would have bid the hand and how it played out for you. Have a good week, everyone. 16 high card points plus 1 extra one for the 5th spade. We've got a choice here. Will we open 1 spade or will we open 1 no trump? It's a popular dilemma. More modern players would tend to open a 5, 3, 3, 2 shape with 15, 16 or 17 points, 1 no trump, because they describe the shape of their hand and the point count more easily than if they opened 1 spade. So let's try that. Partner is transferring us to hearts, so we will bid 2 hearts. They have a second suit of diamonds, so we are now going to 4 hearts because we know there's a 5, 3 heart fit and they have a diamond suit. The opponents don't know that we've got 5 spades, so it's a secret weapon. They're leading a spade. They didn't want to lead hearts or diamonds, so they chose a spade. So win the king of spades. We've got losing clubs here, so let's keep playing spades. Discard a club, play the jack, discard another club. It got trumped. So that means the spades were breaking 5, 5, 2, 1. We've got a losing club. Luckily, we got rid of 2 clubs. And now what to do? We know East will trump the spade. So we could discard a diamond and let them trump. They're trumping. Now they're playing a heart. Okay, let's win the heart and play another heart. There's the queen. We've drawn trumps. We've got all the rest. So play a diamond to the king. We've got many winners. 3 trumps in the north hand. So we made 10 tricks, and that was choosing to open 1 no trump rather than 1 spade. Had we opened 1 spade on the south hand, North would have probably bid 1 no trump. It's a bit of a stretch to bid 2 hearts. They're not quite good enough, although they're a passed hand. They might have bid 2 hearts, but if they had bid 2 hearts, we'd have probably passed. If they'd bid 1 no trump, we'd have also passed. So the chances of of our finding that heart fit and getting to game really was increased by the fact that we opened One No Trump in the first place.